Alright, folks, it's been a while since I made a video, or maybe not, I lost track. But we're doing something a little different today. We're not working on the 250. In fact, we actually got a couple buddies here. And we are working on this 1984 Grand Prix. So, that's what we're working on. Today we're trying to get the radiator out. Because it's garbage.
I'm trying to get this, that, and...
Wait, I can't play music.
Wait, if we have the time...
I don't want to get copyright striked.
I don't want to get copyright strike.
We're going to try to get this out and that out today, but if we can get more, it'd be better.
Speaking of which, we need to get that hose out.
That's what I'm doing.
Alright.
We are going to have lots of spill.
And I'll be back once we get started. Alright, so we got the trunk open. Carpet. That's fine. Got carpet, tail lights, spare tire, and yeah, there's no floor. Well, that's Iowa for you. Otherwise, the rest of the body ain't bad at all. I'm going to turn this off before I get copyright striked.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, a lot of time has passed since earlier.
Like 3 days.
Yeah, but we're still at the same point. The car's off the ground now, and the radiator's out. Just a lot of swearing is all you missed there. We were turning the wrong fucking way! The rims are painted black, and we got new hubcaps on it, and the top has also been painted black. Because, why not? Priorities.
Don't mind the Ford hubcaps.
Now, currently, we're getting the bottom of the fan shroud off, and hopefully get the transmission drained, because I don't know why we would do that, but we will.
So much is wrong with this car. It's amazing.
Alright guys, so we're up in the air a good couple feet here. Now, we're inside the car because we're getting the fuses checked and everything else. And I'm going to seek you down through here. And wherever they are, they're trying to get the transmission pan off, as you can see there. You know, guys, this hole in the floor makes an excellent way to put my phone through there. So you can see the underside. See, look.
Yes, amazing job.
So this is what we're dealing with. The idiots at GM put the fuse panel all the way back in there. Like, get my other hand here. And you gotta pull that thing down. There you go. Have fun getting to that. So that's where we're at right now, getting the transmission drained and the fuses checked. As I said earlier, we got the radiator out. So you can see there. There's Eric sitting there doing nothing because that's all he's done this whole entire project. Alright, back when we get some more done.
Alright guys, so Daniel's at work. He couldn't make it to the shop tonight. So it's just me and Eric. He's not here yet. We're still waiting on him. But he's on his way. But tonight we're gonna try and get off any of the hoses that are still connecting the engine to the car. We're hoping to have out the engine by the end of... We're hoping to have it out before Thanksgiving. So, yeah. We have to have this cleaned up before Thanksgiving so that the kids that are coming don't get hurt on all the spare parts and stuff like that. So, we have to have this as far out and done as we can so we can have everything moved into a corner of the shop like over there. But we're going to see what we can get out today. I think we're going to try to get this battery out and just scrap it. Oh wait, maybe I can. We're going to try to get this battery out. We're going to try to get this out. We're going to start taking it apart maybe. Take it apart to get it out, or we can also just lift it out. We're not sure what we're doing yet, but we have hoses to connect, as you can see down there still. Hoses. We have hoses here to connect still. We have stuff we have to disconnect, but we're moving along. So, as you saw yesterday, we got the fuses found down there, and today we're going to be working under here. So, I will get back with you once we get close to finishing. Is it even going? There we go. So we
Cut that out.
we may have fucked up. We forgot to bolt up the transmission, so now it
unbolt it completely.
Oh yeah, no, but we unbolted it a little bit. So now it's leaking through that one. Let's turn on the flash so you can see. Oh wait, shit. Oh, battery low. I can't do that. Turn your flashlight on, please. But we forgot to do that. There's there. Yeah, so let's just take this off the rest of the way, I guess. And we need to find some floor dry. So we can actually not mess up the floor anymore. Alright. But we got the fan out. We got out, I think that's the windshield fluid, but not 100% sure. And now we're getting out this bad boy. So we have it out from the top. We got those disconnected on the only side. So the fan is out, as you can see. And Numbnuts is putting some kitty litter on. Oh God. It actually needs it there, so. What time is it?
67.
So he just got off work. He might be here. I don't know. So, yeah. I'll start the video back up when I get that off.
Hey everybody. Hello everybody. Welcome back to
Yes,
we
we are live.
we are live.
Yes.
Welcome
I'm back.
to Danny J's Custom
Yes,
Shitbox
okay,
Garage.
that's nice. Okay, so I was gone yesterday, but we're back now, and we're going to see what state this transmission is in. Because it might be junk or it might be good, but we don't know because no one's got the oil pan off all the way. So I guess we'll find out. If I can even get that off. Alright. Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay. So we finally found the right size socket. Got it on the wrench here. Hopefully we're turning it the right way. Nope, that's getting tighter. There we go. It would be a lot easier if I had an extension.
Yes.
Now, if Bryce was here, he'd be able to catch this pan because it's about to go clack against the ground.
When you get the other 3 bolts done.
There's 3. I only count 2.
Oh.
Yeah,
Well, I guess he was the dumbass this morning. I'm gonna have to cut that out.
No, you're good.
Oh,
I swear sometimes. It's
sick.
okay. Like 2 squares per video is all it's long.
I really want like a cussing compilation after this is all done.
Well, it's not difficult with what we do, but with the junk we work with.
With the stupid stuff that we end up doing at this thing.
Oh my God! There's not even a gasket left.
No, it does not seem that there is.
Yeah, well, there's that, but that's not much of a gasket. You see, this is common for, as my longtime viewers will know. Well, it actually looks really good. That we can never seem to accomplish anything. It's always started, failed, and then never brought up again. But this will not be one of those scenarios. Now, actually, this transmission looks really good. Okay, where's the extension?
The camera seems to like it. It's very pretty.
I must say, it is that's generally surprised me.
This looks better than the entire rest of the car.
Yeah, show them the floor pan. That will give it a to work with.
Oh, yeah.
Do some filler.
That's straight through. Where's the other hole?
Thing here.
Ah. I think this is it. Hi, welcome to the inside of the... Yep, that's the steering wheel.
Alright, there we go. Actually, I was really surprised at how well the transmission looks in here, that's for sure.
Indiana Daniel going where no mechanic has gone before.
What, to the bottom of a rusted out Grand Prix that should probably be scrapped rather than saved? Yes, probably. Alright, come on. You can unscrew now. The pain no longer has to be endured. Please come out now. There we go. Well, oh, there's the drain plug, I think. Oh, that's not good. That's a chunk of gear.
Is it?
Yeah, and there's chunks of metal over there.
Oh.
Is there a bucket I can dump this into?
Probably.
And this gasket isn't too terrible, but you'd rather not use it. Especially since it's only a couple bucks. Is this bucket good? I'm
Sure. Danny J's dumping bucket.
Yep, might as well.
Sponsored by
Yeah, this transmission fluid was awful.
garbage. Look at that.
So,
Looks like death.
yeah, so what is it? Okay, that's part of the pan. I don't know what is on that.
So there are no metal flakes, yes?
I don't know what that is. That feels like... is there a magnet?
Can we try the fridge?
No, is there a genuine magnet on this?
I do not believe so.
I can't tell if that's a metal or not. Well, we don't know yet. We gotta see how big it is. It might just be... Because this thing's 37 years old. Oh my god, is that... That's like new.
Yeah.
Well, there's the there's the dipstick.
Where?
Right here. Oh, this transmission is actually wow.
A lot prettier than the rest of the car.
Yeah. That is actually surprising. Very surprising. The shifter right there.
Where?
But you see what I mean? By you can't really rebuild automatics.
Yes. This looks like a pain in the butt.
Well, there's whatever that sensor there connects to.
Or doesn't connect to anymore.
It's gotta be
Look at the difference between the wires in here and out here.
Yeah. Oh, you found footage? Oh, there we go. Now where did I put that wrench? You see where I set down that wrench? Okay, you can stop recording now.
Yes.
Where did it go? Let's see, we had it over there. Okay, we might need a breaker bar.
Would you like to inform the viewers of what we are doing?
We are checking the rear diff, I guess. But first,
A word from our sponsors.
we don't have sponsors.
No! This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Yes.
Okay.
Yes! I fucking hit the button,
Found the
Daniel.
breaker bar. Now we're getting this thing off. Oh, that didn't sound good. Or that feel good. You know, these are just stripping. We should probably not mess with that. Oh, now I can't get the... Now the thing's stuck. I'll be right back. I have... You see anything else on this engine in?
No.
Oh yeah, this exhaust pipe.
Yes, we do need to take the exhaust off.
Just wherever there's a... Right here. And now it's welded. Well, I'll be... Oh no.
Figure out where that son of a bitch went. It's always around here.
Yes?
Well, we have an issue.
What do we have an issue?
You can't find the drill, first of all. That's the main issue. Second issue is, we're gonna need a cutter tool.
Oh, I don't know that we have those.
Yeah, we're gonna need like a...
Like that?
No, like a sawzall or a grinder.
We're looking for DeWalt. No, I'm busy looking for DeWalt.
That's what I'm looking for, too. Perfect.
I made a mistake. I gave Daniel power tool.
Oh
The
no, I
cut.
have power at home. These are all, we need different cutting wheels though, because this is the tool we need. See what this does. That is a weird socket. I don't know if I pressed that. Okay. That was a That's how it works. Hey guys, sorry that the video is kind of cut off abruptly, so that is the end of part 1. is currently, I think it'll tell me here. Last I checked, it was 1:30 in the morning. Got done editing, putting all the clips together, so it kind of pieced together. And I wanted to make this little end section here, try and get a little more background. Since it kind of came out of nowhere. So this was my friend's dad's car, I should say, and bought it years ago, and left it sitting for 20 years. My friend was like, "Hey, let's go see if this will fire up." They got it running, drove one test loop around the yard. Next thing I know, the engine's shooting smoke and oil, and engine's blown. So after that, they towed it out to his grandpa's house. We've got the shop, and from there, we've been slowly tearing it down and rebuilding it back. Now, the car itself is like, it's gone. I counted at least 4 holes in the frame, both the sizes of a fist. And the floor pans, as you've seen, were gone. The trunk pans were gone. The engine's blown. The transmission's got mice nests, which I did not show in the video, because the main part of the transmission is fine, but we're up where the flywheel is and everything, it's not. Let's see. Interior is not so bad, minus the gone headliner. And why Bryce wasn't in the end few minutes there was because he had personal family matters he had to deal with, so he wasn't able to make it on. So it's just me and Eric for last little bit there, which I let Eric do all the stopping, cutting, and recording. And I think he's gonna be my new cameraman. Oh, he knows how to take an opportunity, that's for sure. So yeah, thank you guys for watching part 1. I will try to get part 2 up as soon as possible, and thought I'd give a little background to this video that came out of nowhere. One thing I did forget to mention is we will try our hardest. We're not making any promises. We will try our hardest to get this car running and back to a stable driving state.